This 2024 Winnebago Vista 31B is a Class A RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 31 feet 2 inches in length and features sleeps 10, awning, external shower, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, air conditioning, smoke detector, slide-out, water heater, auxiliary battery, stove top burner, and 70 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk beds, bunk over cab, bunkhouse, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2024 Winnebago Vista 31B is built on a Ford chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.